Alright, YouTubers, we got the Proline Pro MT 4x4. I ended up having to put 70 weight shock oil in because I was going to leave it stock and see how it was, but Rich just did a video on steering slop and he told me he had like 80 weight in there. So I figured if he's all the way up to 80, it must be really under dampened. So I moved the back shocks out one hole to outside on the bottom and the top to give it more stability. And here's the reason why we're doing the video, in case you didn't see any of the other ones. A $4 skid plate. It's out of Lexan. You can get 11 by 14. They have different size pieces. I just get them at Homedepot. It's $8 for 11 by 14. It's 0.093. Whatever the thickness is, it's the same thickness as a skid plate, so it works out good. And it's Lexan, so you can actually heat it up and melt it to bend around this area right here. So you just basically cut it out. I have a grinder with a cutting wheel. Just mark it out. It don't have to be fancy because it's going to get all screwed up anyhow. And then just get a countersink bit. Find a couple screws that aren't doing nothing important. I was going to do these two, but I don't know. These screws don't go into nothing. It's like a piece of plastic. I think they're access to something. But, yeah, you know, just to keep it from getting all scraped up. It's not a big deal. And then for $4, if it gets messed up, you just cut another one out real quick. I got it on this one, my my Yeti, and my Losi down there. So yeah, I just figured I'd give you a quick video. It's real easy, simple, and cheap. So alright, YouTubers, I'm out.